Production of stamp on a Wattsan laser machine. Let's start by preparing the model. For this, you can use any vector program, for example, CorelDraw. Please note that the cutting model must be mirrored. Next, import the model to the RDWorks program. Add an additional outline to change the way of engraving. Set up the engraving parameters for red color. With a Reci W2 90-watt laser tube, we set the speed to 100 mm per second and the power to 25%. You can change the parameters both in the settings window and directly in the auxiliary window. Change the engraving speed to 200 mm per second. Set the parameters of the black color for cutting. Set the speed to 15 mm per second and power to 80 to 85%. Set the air pressure for blowing in the range of 0.5 to 1 atmospheres. Adjust the focal length. Start engraving. Pay attention to the quality. The drawing must be clear. The edges must not be fused. When finished, remove any remaining plaque with a brush or compressed air. The stamp is ready. We will be glad to help you in choosing the equipment you need. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them in the comments.